Hi guys! Happy Monday! So, for today's video guys, andito tayo sa Huguenot Park, Beach, Jacksonville, Florida. So, naglagay tayo ng tent para may masilungan. So, ayan yung tent natin. Tsaka, meron tayo dalawang chairs. So, dito naman nakatambay yung natin sasakyan para malapit lang sa kung saan nakaupo, no? So today guys, hindi magaano maraming tao, no? So kasi Monday pasukan. So today kasi rest day ni Habi. So ayun nga, nagpunta kami ng beach today para mag-relax here. So ayun na siya, nag-swimming na siya katapos maglagay ng tent. So, ayan yung high tide today. So, yung water guys, malapit na siya dito sa sa tent namin. Ayan pala, may tent na namin. So, sinadya na rin namin na dito na rin kami. So, ayan yung natin. Si Titis Boy. So, yan yung sa kabila, doon, yung sa kabila dyan, yan yung mga tabay ng Navy ship. So, yun, ang daming mga Navy ship doon tambay. Ayan. So, this is my wearing today. Paulit-ulit lang. So, ayan. Magsiswimming na nga lang, nagka-makeup ah. So, ayan, may nakita akong Navy ship na color pink na big ship. Pink na pink. So, ayan. Lang nga. So, ayan. Very good. Hindi ko kasi nadala yung stick ko. So, hindi ako nagdala ng madaming na-snack namin today. Just, ang nadala ko lang, 2 bottle of water, then 1 iced tea, 1 bottle of juice. Ayan si Habi. Parating na si Habi. Ayan. Yung color pink na parang barko, I don't know, basta color pink, malaki. So dito kami sa malapit sa may mga big stone. So ayan, so pupunta tayo sa crystal clear water. So yun si Habi. You are so big on the bed. So we're going, ayun yung mga bird, kumatay yan guys. So pupunta tayo doon sa hindi ko na I forgot my selfie stick. So marami na lang tao. So pero hindi gaano kadami kasi nga pasukan today kasi Monday. So ayun yung cake natin, no? So yun yung mga Navy ship dyan, yung may mga nasa stone yung bird. So Tino enjoying. So we're going to the crystal clear. So ayan, look. Clearly yung water. So nice today. I really like it. I'm so like it. Gusto ko yung water today kay Puan. Green na green. Oh, so ayan. Masyadong yung camera ko. Ginidon ko na. May mga tao na naliligo. Pwede kasi dalahin dito yung mga sasakyan. So ayun, hindi na dala. So may tabi lang ng dagat. Sobrang linis dito kasi bawal dito magdala ng mga pets. Bawal magdala dito ng mga animals. Pero depende, siguro pag nagdala ka, dinadiaper mo yung animals mo, baka bawal dito tumain. Bawal tumain dito yung mga animals, no? So, ayun yung mga ibon na bibikayan. So, dito ako sa tubig. Yun na din yung water. Pupunta dito sa if nasa Jacksonville ka nakatira, so mga ano lang, go 20 minutes ba yun papunta dito sa Laguna Park Beach, Jacksonville, Florida. Wala abot isang oras papunta dito. So dito lang kami bumalik sa beach na ito kasi nga yun yung malapit, tsaka mas better, or meron pa namang mas better pa na beach. Pero gusto lang namin dito kasi malapit yung sa amin. Ting sakasa ka dito sa loob. Of course, may entrance. So ayan, puntahan natin yung malaking barko. The color pink. Punta tayo doon. Papatong tayo sa may rocks. Yung mga barko kasi dyan, Navy ship kasi yan. Mga Navy ship kasi yan. Yung mga ganyan. So, ito na rin yung mga barko malaki. Yung sunset. Na ako lang ata yung naliligo dito naka-makeup. Charot. Dito guys, kapag naliligo ka dito sa Amerika, kailangan nakabarapante. Pero hindi, depende naman sa iyo kung suotin mo. Pero dito lahat talaga naliligo nakabarapante or nakatibak pa yan. Ako medyo na nakakabar pa ako, pero mamaya tanggalin ko na. So, walang hiyaya dito makabarapante or nakatiba kapag naliligo dito sa dagat. Pero sa atin, kapag nakabarapante ka or nakatibak, naku! So, ikismis ka na doon, tatawagin kang prostitute kasi nakasuot ka ng swimsuit na ligo sa Galos or saan doon sa Philippines. So, dito, mas okay dito. Kasi makasuot mo talaga yung mga paborito mong swimsuit ng dagat. Stress si Habi today kasi nga race day niya, tapos yung mga ka-work, mga manager, tumatawagan siya, so nag-stress siya today. Habi, are you okay? Look at Habi, the big ship is coming. The color pink, look. So this is my macho man Habi. At pala ko. Gawa ka sa way. Sinasama naman ako. Macho, guwapito daw ako. Stress siya today guys. Stress kasi tinawagan siya ng mga coworkers.
Mommy said the beaches aren't pretty in Florida. Look how pretty they are.
No, it's so nice here. So really pretty because it's so
so clean,
clearly
clear.
crystal.
Crystal clear.
Daddy, they call it crystal.
Crystal clear, yes.
Crystal clear. Well, clearly water, and also there's no animals pooping here, but they have birds flying. What do you call it? What the name of the birds, Daddy?
Seagulls.
Seagulls. Seagulls. So ayan yung barko guys, so big. Ayan. Color pink. Yung Daddy, the ship is gay ship because pink na pink.
Yeah, it's pink. It's for women's women's cancer.
Ay?
Yeah.
Women cancer? Cancer or cancer?
Cancer.
Cancer. Women breast cancer. That ship pala guys for women breast cancer.
Oh. A cargo ship. That's probably what Marcus's dad works on.
Oh, really?
Marcos? Seaman.
The water's cold.
Uy, nakaihi na ako. Turi! Ay, Pim. Nakaihi ako sa ako. So, ayan o. Mag-glasses ka, Daddy? So, ayan. Papunta tayo dito sa may rocks, guys. So, ito yung mga bato dito, no? Malalaki. Ayan. Malalaki yung rock. Ayan. So, ayan. Pwede kayo magpa-picture-picture dito sa may mga rock na to. Yeah, it's clearly now. It's clearly now. Okay lang. Look at the beach.
Wait. Hey!
Do not come here, Tino. I just take a video. Alright, so what? The stone is so hot. The big rock.
I can't walk up there with you. I'll hurt myself.
No, kay...
Look how clean the water is there. And that's coming right out of the river.
Oh nga, so clearly.
You know why it's dark over there? Because the river's deep. Look how
Oh,
deep it is to hold that ship.
you're right.
Yeah, I know, right? It's the same water.
Yeah, same water. Ayun.
My bowl.
And it's all pretty good.
Mom, get it.
Look, they have bull. Oh, the yellow bull.
Get it, babe.
That's not good.
That's not yours, Santino.
That is not good, boy.
That's not your balls, Tino. Ayan yung V-shape. Pink na pink. Why color pink? Kasi woman
That water looks dark.
sa mga babaeng nagka-cancer, breast cancer.
Deep like that. So put it over there.
So ang mga laman ay... So you think inside the box is...
Anything. It could be cars, it can be clothes, it can be food,
Oh!
it could be anything. Money,
Oh really?
yeah,
Wow! Oh!
wood,
Mm.
metal,
Oh, so inside the box, guys, anything stops. Oh, inside the box of the
mineral water, anything.
ship. Anything pala inside, guys, the box of the, you know, the books. So, ayan, oh. They have small books. Ayan. So, paalis na yung barko. Naglalaman niya ng mga gamit or something. Money. So, bababa na tayo. Sa may bato. Dito bababa na tayo. So, medyo madulas yung bato. Aray ko, baka maulog tayo, nakahawak pa naman ako sa ano. Ayan. Look at what Pogi! What Pogi? Who's Pogi is that? Oh, Pogi or word.
Mom.
What?
Are you happy,
The
Tino?
bird pooped on your head.
Are you happy?
Tongue.
Santino, are you happy? Ha? No answer. So, nadala ko lang snack today is spinach and some chichaya. So nice today.
My truck was way down there last week. So
Yep.
imagine all the water getting into my truck. Yeah. Going,
Look at Pogi. Ay, rock.
Mommy
Oh?
wants to go in the water, put those.
Yes. Okay. Salamin. So ito yung mga upuan natin dito sa may tent. Dahil malapit na rin ang kaarawan ko guys. So parang pupunta din kami ng Disneyland sa Orlando, Florida. Mga 4 hours ata ang drive doon or 3 hours. So pupunta kami doon ng maaga kasi pagka August din kasi ang birthday ko, pagka 11 school ni Santino. Start na siya, back to school na si Santino. August 11. How nice today. So, yan. O diba, nakita nyo naman. Kapag naliliw dito, naka-underwear lang ako. For swimsuit pala. Swimsuit. Di pag sa Philippines, tawagin ko na doon, Boricat! This is cheaper. Here, they don't care. So, hi! So, time na para mag-swimming. So hot! Sobrang init dito. Sobrang init. Sobrang init ngayon, guys. Sobrang init dito sa Florida. Grabe. Nung dumating ako nung March dito, sobrang lamig. But now, sobrang init, guys. Grabe. Anyway. Santino. So, swimming na nga ako. Bye muna for now, guys. Magsi-swimming muna tayo. Swimming. Swimming. The water is gone here. Low tide na, low tide. How many dollar? Well,
75 times.
yung isa beses sa total sa bayarin.
That's what I gotta pay at his school tomorrow.
14,500.
Yep. For his after day care.
Oh.
I'm so lucky.
You're so lucky. told you, in Philippines it's cheap. 40,000 1 year.
Really? Okay. What money am I going to make over there to pay $40,000?
Cheap ba yun? 40,000 is ano? For 1 year. At least for 1.
That bird got a broken wing, see?
Oo nga no. Ah,
See it?
sad. Good. Oh no. You feel hungry, daddy, no? Ooh, the cheese. Happy ka, Tino? Are you happy? What daw? What?
But he's dumping sand on the crab, I think.
Oh. So nice here, Tino, no? Nice wind. Lumay ng water, oh. Ando na. Low tide na. So, let's eat. Nanguha sila ng crabs. So, wala gaan. Hindi, so, ano, hindi gaano maraming tao kasi Monday yun. So, relaxing here.